Hi guys, this is Sir Yuri and we're back in POA Academy. I hope you've been learning a lot from the past lessons that we've been discussing in the videos that you could find here or above here, the YouTube video. And I'm here in Venice. Venice. I don't know what Venice. Today's topic is about letting go. I know some of us have a hard time letting go. Have a hard time of letting go of the bad emotions, letting go sa mga past experiences na hindi magaganda. And at the end of this video, I'm sure that whatever it is that you're carrying inside your heart or kung ano man yung nagbabatter sa'yo, lahat yun mawawala. Lahat yun easily you will be able to let it go. I just want to share this story. There is a story that about letting go. It's from, if I'm not mistaken, it's from Japan. The story goes something like this. Merong monk and merong isang ordinary guy and they're walking sa Japan, nagtra-travel sila. So, matagal na sila naglalakad, mga 2-3 days. Dumating yung time that naka-encounter sila ng river. Dun sa river na yun, medyo mahirap mag-cross dahil medyo malakas yung alon. What happened was, merong lumapit sa kanilang dalawa, yung monk at yung ordinary guy. May lumapit sa kanila na isang geisha o isang prostitute sa Japan. Dahil natatakot siya tumibid ng river dahil masyadong malakas yung alon. Sabi niya dun sa ordinary guy na, "Mister, can you help me cross the river?" Siyempre, of course, yung guy gusto niya tumulong. Yung monk, tahimik lang, may magsalita. Sabi nung guy, "Sige, tulungan kita mag-cross ng river. Buhatin na lang kita, then cross tayo river." So what the ordinary guy did was, inuwat niya yung girl, dahan-dahan sila na-cross ng river, and binaba niya yung girl. And then, continue sila mag-travel yung friend niyang monk. So nag-travel lang sila along the journey, then nakarating sila sa destination nila. Pagdating nila sa destination nila, ito nangyari. Sabi ng monk, "Friend, you know what? With the way I was raised in our monastery, we don't talk to prostitutes, especially beautiful geishas like that." Ito ang comment ng ordinary guy na friend niya. Sabi ng friend niya, "My friend, ulitin ko lang." Sabi niya na, "My friend, I already dropped the girl beside the river a while ago. Why are you still carrying her?" So anyway guys, anong moral ng story? Na marami mga tao, they can't let go of certain things na nangyari sa buhay nila, na tipong 2 years na sila hindi pa rin makamove on, or kahapon pa yun hindi pa rin nila makalimutan, last week pa yun still they can't forget it, or 5 years ago they still have this grudge, this feeling inside them that bothers them every day. So the moral of the story is, whatever happens in the past is already buried in the past. What matters is right now, what you do right now with your life for you to have a better future, like in your relationships, your love life. If you want for you to move on to a higher level, to the next level of being the better you should easily be able to let go of anything that's been bothering you, anything that holds you back. So anyway, I hope guys you learned something for today. And this is again Sir Yuri of POA Academy, and I'll see you guys soon.